Hello friends, this is your chef Premkiran here. I am again making a good and tasty recipe from Desi Chana. This chana which I have taken two small pots of Desi Chana which I have already soaked it overnight and then I have boiled it in with some salt in it. So while making this recipe we won't be needing much salt, only a small pinch of salt for making it. So let's start our tasty recipe. And this is also a very quick recipe which you can make at any time and everybody would like it. For making this, I'm just using 4 spoons of cooking oil. For making this recipe, as I have already shown you, I have taken these 2 pots of chana which is already boiled, which was soaked overnight, 1 big onion, finely chopped, 1 big tomato, finely chopped, 1 small bowl of dry coconut powder. You can even use the fresh coconut powder for making it. It's up to your taste. Half lemon, 2 thin small green chilies finely chopped, and I have taken curry patta which is easily available and I have chopped it into the small pieces. Now our oil is heated up, so we'll put half spoon of rice seeds in it. And with the rice seeds we would be green chilies and fry it. You can see that our green chilies are fried. Now we'll add our onions which we have already cut into small pieces. And these onions also we don't need to fry it much, just fry it till they are just transparent in color. Now you can see that our onions are fried and they are just transparent in color. Now we'll add our curry leaves. Just mix it and add the tomatoes that already finely cut into small pieces. Mix it and let it just cook for a minute or two. You don't have to cook it for a longer time. Now you could see that our tomatoes are just soft enough. We don't have to fry it much. We fried it only for a minute or two. They become soft. As we already have much salt in our chana which we have boiled, we'll just add a pinch of salt because for the rest of the vegetables salt is there. And we would add our dry coconut powder. Mix it. Now you can see that the dry coconut which we have added, we just fried it for a minute or two. They are just completed. You can see a little brown color has come. Now we'll add our chana, boiled chana. And we'll mix it. We will just cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes, just till the complete ingredients and the chana are mixed together. We have just fried the complete mixture for just 2 minutes, so that extra water, if it's there in the recipe, you need to cook it till that time so that all the water is absorbed, it evaporates and it becomes completely dry mixture. Now in this we'll add our half tomato paste, not tomato, the lemon juice, sorry. We'll mix it. And your quick and easy chana recipe is ready. You can cook it at any time and you can use it with chapati or just as snacks in the evening. And friends, if you are still didn't like my channel, kindly like and subscribe and share my recipes to others so that they get to know more and delicious recipes which are updated every weekend. Thank you.